Hey, someone told doctor? Oh yeah, hi Knuckles. Alright, so you see my friend here, Tails? Yeah, you know him? He has hiccups. You called a doctor for hiccups? After all this time coming here, you called a doctor for hiccups? Really, Sonic? I could be fixing a surgery right now. How are you even a doctor? And are your parents even proud of you? I don't even know, but fine, I'll be a hiccup specialist just for you, Sonic. No, get out of the way. Alright, so the first step is, well, we have to scare Tails so he can scream really, really loud. So, I'm just gonna go get my scaring. So, boo! Okay, boo! Ah! It's not working. Fine, let's get the next one. Boo! Alright, so what is this technique again? Alright, if me and Tails play chess and I win, you'll be going ah! In no time. So, yeah, looks like I'm winning. My turn. Alright, that's strategy. What? Not wrong. No time to explain, but I will explain. Alright, so you see, this is a bomb. A vegetable bomb. And it shoots out vegetables. Yeah, how deadly. And you have to touch the right one, the right color of the bomb, the vegetable bomb, and yeah, or else it'll shoot out vegetables. And you have 10 seconds. Okay. That's done. The what? It didn't blow out vegetables. Oh, just cheaters. There's no such thing as a vegetable bomb. This is just a bunch of Legos. Yeah, Legos. Next strategy. Alright, Sonic, this strategy scares him every time. Alright. Sir, I would like to buy these pickles. What? Did you bring your wallet? Oh yeah, I brought my wallet, Sonic. Yep, I brought my wallet. So I would like to buy these pickles. Alright, that'll be $6. What? Oh no! Wait, I just realized something. I didn't bring my wallet. Can we still buy these pickles? No? No, you say? Oh man, can't believe what I'm hearing out of my ears that I don't have, but oh my god, we cannot buy these. Just I forgot my wallet. How embarrassing. What do we do now? You leave. Well, Tails, guess we won't buy the pickles. Boom! Oh. Alright, since the other strategy said scare you, now we are on a helicopter. And Sonic, we are going to push Tails off of the helicopter 6,000 feet down. 6,000 feet? Don't you mean 6,000 miles? By the way, why would I push Tails down off of a plane? Would you do it for hiccups to be gone? Or would you do it for a Scooby snack? It didn't work. It didn't work. But I told you not to throw him off the plane. One, it didn't work. Two, look at him. He's dramatized, even though he's still smiling. You are weird. You're still smiling. What do you mean he has incurable hiccups? Yeah, I don't know. I can't stop him. No, I guess I'll just have hiccups forever. Is that a fly? Is that a fly? Huh? My hiccups are gone!